Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6709.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.